Want to remove the recycle bin from your Windows 11 desktop? Here's something important you need to know. Unlike regular shortcuts, you can't simply delete the recycle bin. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to hide it properly. Let's get started. First, let me show you what happens if you try to delete it the usual way. If I right-click on the recycle bin, you'll notice there's no delete option in the menu. Try right-clicking on a regular shortcut. See the difference? Regular shortcuts have a delete option, but the recycle bin doesn't. This is because the recycle bin is a system icon, not a regular shortcut. So we need to use a different approach to remove it. The quickest method is to hide all desktop icons at once. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, hover over View, and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. All desktop icons disappear instantly, including the recycle bin. This gives you a completely clean desktop. However, this hides everything. If you want to keep your other icons but only remove the recycle bin, you'll need Method 2. To selectively remove just the recycle bin while keeping other icons visible, follow these steps. Open your Settings app by pressing Windows key +I, or by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Settings. Click on Personalization in the left sidebar. Scroll down and select Themes. On the right side, you'll see Desktop Icon Settings under Related Settings. Click on it. A new window called Desktop Icon Settings will appear. Here you can see all the system icons, including the recycle bin. Simply uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin. Click Apply, then OK. Now look at your desktop. The recycle bin is gone, but all your other icons and shortcuts remain exactly where they were. Remember, the recycle bin isn't deleted, it's just hidden. You can still access it through File Explorer or bring it back anytime by following the same steps and checking the box again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.